From this stupid head, and my eyes are like windshield on a rainy day. Arms wrapped out, swelling as I keep on digging my face from this cold hands of mine. Heaven knows how bitter has flown away from me, leaving me drunk in misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me, though I have strength to set catching 40 wings, being up all night in this elbow room that puts me in a trance where hopes and dreams come true. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are hurting from these fumes I made. Still I light another cigarettes just to pass my time. Oh, heaven knows how bitter I am, 'cause this angel has flown